Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nurlailatul Balkis binti Muhammad Nasri, and today we would like to present our business management inform system for dashboard project entitled Sip House Cafe Sales Performance Dashboard. For the introduction, Sip House Cafe is a beverage based on business offering coffee and non-coffee drinks, taught dine-in, takeaway, and delivery service. This dashboard was developed using sales transaction data and evaluate the cafe business performance. And the analysis includes sales, revenue, profit, payment methods, order types, and the sales trend. And interactive and the chart help management identify the best-selling product and customer purchasing behavior. And the dashboard support data drive decision making for inventory management, promotion, and the business planning. Overall, it's a improve operation efficiency, customer satisfaction, and sustainable business growth.
I'm Samiksha Manteshwara Jetty 112844. I will be presenting business system overview. This slide shows the overall business information system used in our project. The system follows the flow of data, processing, analyzing, dashboard, and decision. The objective is to transform raw business data into meaningful insights that help managers make informed decisions. So the system begins with data collection from the product master list and 250 sales transaction. The data is then processed using VLOOKUP and calculation formulas to generate sales, cost, and public figures automatically. After processing, pivot tables and SUMIFs are used to analyze product performances, customer behaviors, sale trends, and future demand forecast. Then the analyzed information is displayed on the dashboard through KPI cards and charts. This allows managers to quickly monitor business performances. Based on these insights, managers can make decisions regarding inventory planning, promotions, staffing requirements, and profitability improvement. Therefore, the dashboard acts as bridge between data analysis and business decision making.
Hi everyone, my name is Shani Tanshani and my matrix number is 112285. So today, I will present my individual component, which is the sales trend analysis. So the objective is to evaluate our sales performance, identify growth patterns, and the forecast future revenue using our dashboard matrix. So based on data, our business generated a total revenue of 1,720 ringgit. So in May, sales started at 429 ringgit but skyrocketed to 1,291 ringgit in June. So this represents a massive 201.2% sales growth in just 1 month. So this sharp increase indicates highly successful customer acquisition and strong market acceptance during our peak period in June. Looking ahead, our linear trend line predicts continued growth in July 2026. With projected sales expected to exceed 2,000 ringgit. So to capitalize on this, I recommend that we immediately increase our inventory levels and workforce capacity to handle the peak demand. So furthermore, we must sustain the successful marketing strategies implemented in June to ensure continuous revenue expansions. So in conclusion, this component proves our strong business potential and provides valuable insights for the strategic planning. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Yigalushni Munyadiselvam, 112778, and I'll be presenting about the dataset overview. So to support the dashboard development, our group created a simulated sales dataset for Sip House Cafe. And the dataset contains 100 transaction records representing daily cafe sales activities. And this dataset includes important variables such as date, order ID, item, category, quantity, selling price, unit cost, sales, profit, and payment method. And these variables allow us to analyze sales performance, profitability, and customer purchasing behavior. So the overall purpose of the dataset is to transform raw sales data into meaningful business insights that support managerial decision making. So before creating the dashboard, the dataset was prepared and validated using Microsoft Excel. So each transaction was assigned a unique order ID and numerical values were properly formatted. Formula calculations were used to automate the analysis, and sales were calculated using quantity multiplied by selling price, while the profit was calculated by subtracting product cost from sales revenue. So to ensure data quality, the dataset was checked for missing values, duplicate transactions, and also formatting inconsistencies. And after the validation, Excel tables, pivot charts, KPI cards, and slices were developed to support dashboard analysis and the interactive reporting. So this slide shows the customer analysis dashboard that I developed myself. So the dashboard consists of 3 KPI cards which display total sales, total orders, and average sales per order. So it also includes 2 charts which is customer spending by order type and number of orders by order type. So these visualizations help management to understand customer purchasing patterns. In addition to that, an interactive slicer was created to allow users to filter and analyze the data more dynamically, while the Insights and Recommendations panel summarizes the key findings for decision-making purposes. So based on the analysis, we found that delivery was the highest performing customer segment. It generated 708 ringgit in sales revenue and recorded 38 orders, making it the most preferred purchasing channel among customers. Dining recorded the lowest sales revenue at 493 ringgit and the lowest number of orders with only 30 orders. So this suggests that customers are less likely to choose traditional dining services. Meanwhile, takeaway generated 509 ringgit from 32 orders, showing a stable level of customer demand. So overall, the findings indicate that customers prefer convenience-based purchasing channels, particularly delivery services.
Hello, I'm Darlene Divine Dusin and I'm holding matrix number 109518. So today I will present about the profit analysis. The total profit is 1061.5 ringgits and the average profit per transaction is 106.15 ringgits. The profit margin is 62%, which means the business earns a good level of profit from its sales. From the product performance section, we can see that croissant is the top selling product, followed by the latte and matcha latte, and also the cheesecake. This shows that a few key products generates most of the profit. For customer type, delivery customer contribute the highest profit at 435.5 ringgits. This means customer prefer convenience, so delivery is an important channel. Looking at monthly profit, June performed better than May, showing a significant increase in profit and overall growth of 201.32%. So this is the dashboard for profit analysis. It helps analyze the company profit performance from different perspectives. The profit by product chart shows the profit generated by each product where croissant contributes the highest profit. And the profit by customer type chart compare profit from different customer groups, showing the delivery customer generates the highest total profit. And the profit by month chart display profit trends over time and show an increase in profit from May to June. To create this dashboard, pivot tables were used to summarize profit data by product, customer type, and month, while pivot charts were used to visualize the result. The sum function calculates total profit, the average function determines the average profit, and the profit margin calculation measure overall profitability. And the dashboard is based on data including product, profit, customer type, and date.
This is supported by the Pareto chart on the right. The red bar shows revenue in RM and the pink line shows cumulative percentage. The three tallest bars are croissant at 264 ringgit, latte at 231 ringgit, and matcha latte at 225 ringgit. These top three products alone contribute 47% of total revenue. The cumulative line rises steeply and flattens after mocha. This visually shows that revenue is highly concentrated on the left side, while the bottom 7 products on the right only contribute 20% of revenue. Therefore, we recommend management to focus inventory, staff training, and marketing budget on these top 9 products. Meanwhile, the bottom 7 products should be reviewed to improve or discontinue.
The forecast analysis was conducted to predict future sales performance based on the available sales data. The forecast chart shows an increasing sales trend from May to June, indicating positive business growth. This suggests that the cafe may continue to experience stable customer demands and improved sales performance in the future. The positive forecast is supported by the strong performance of the coffee category, which recorded the highest sales value of RM 503. The croissant as the top selling product with 33 units sold, and card payments generating the highest sales value of RM 624.
Based on the overall dashboard analysis, the business should focus on strength its best performing area to increase the revenue, improve customer satisfaction, and maintaining sustainable growth. So for our recommendation, we have 5 recommendations. So first recommendation should be focus on the best selling product. The dashboard show the constant latte and matcha latte generate the higher sales and revenue. Sip House Cafe should ensure this product always available, maintaining ingredient stock, and consider introduction new flavor or combo promotion based on this best selling item. Next recommendation, we have a strength sell during peak demand, because sales increased significantly from 429 in May to 1291 in June, indicating strong customer demand. So the cafe should identify the factor that contribute to June higher sales and continue similar marketing strategy to sustainable growth. So for the next recommendation, we have increased sales of low performing product. So several product record relatively low sales and revenue. Sip House should introduce promotion discount or bundle offer or limit time campaign to encourage customer to purchase these slower moving items. The next recommendation is improved profit management. With a total 1061, the business is performing well. However, management should be continue monitoring product costs and focus on selling high product items to further improve profitability. So the last recommendation we can give is a use dashboard for continuous decision making. Management should regularly review the sales dashboard to monitor sales trend, customer demand, product performance. This will help the cafe make faster and more informed business decisions while improving operation efficiency. The outcome recommendation is focus on best selling product, so that means we can get higher sales and customer satisfaction, and more than that is we can continue effective marketing so we can get sustainable sales and grow and promote low selling product, improve sales performance. More than that, control costs and focus on profitable item, which is the company can higher profit margins. And the last is monitor the dashboard regularly, because it's better business decision and operation efficient.
So for Zip House Cafe, our dashboard successfully converted raw sales data into clear business insights. First, performance. Total sales recorded 1,488 ringgit with strong profit margin 61.7%. Sales trend also positive, growing from 249 ringgit in May to 1,291 ringgit in June. Second, key finding. Pareto 80/20 rule applies. Only 9 out of 16 products generate 80% revenue. Top 3 products are croissant 264 ringgit, latte 231 ringgit, and matcha latte 225 ringgit. Together, they contribute 47% of total sales. Last, recommendation to management. Focus resources on top 3 products. Strengthen delivery channel because it's the highest at 700 ringgit, and review low performing products below 80% line. In conclusion, this dashboard helps management make faster data-driven decisions for long-term growth. Thank you.